Hi, my name's Tina. I'm the Europe editor of Czecho's Accelerating magazine, and I'm standing here in Sibiu, Romania, with Robert Gerle and Christian Weiser from the executive board of AHI, the parent company of Güntner. Can you tell me, standing here in this lovely new factory, why here and why now?
Why here and why now?
Yes, why are you building here in Sibiu, Romania, and why now?
See, that's an easy one. First of all, we started some 6 years ago. We have been the very first time here in Sibiu. We found everything what we were searching for. We have good educated people. We have an easy connection to our headquarters, which is only 1.5 hours flight, 5 times a day. So these are the very simple facts which makes life much easier when you're going to a new operation, because you need to have people to travel in between, to exchange know-how, to make things happening. And here in Sibiu we found everything we were looking for.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So how is this new factory going to affect the capacity of Güntner? How much is it going to increase with this new mega factory?
That's your turn.
As you can see here, the surrounding of about 30,000 square meter would almost double our capacities what we have in Europe. However, of course, this plant is serving the markets outside of Europe too, Asia, the Americas.
Okay. And being from Czecho, we're of course very interested in natural refrigerants. Can you tell me how much of the production here will be natural refrigerants related?
Natural refrigerant related is when it comes to commercial business, we need a little bit to divide into industrial products and commercial products. Both are done here.
Okay.
Commercial already started in 2015 to get the first units out.
Mm-hmm.
When you see this amount, it's around 70% out of the 40,000 units are already on natural refrigerants.
And would that be mainly CO2 or ammonia?
It's mainly CO2 because these goods are mainly going to Europe, Central Europe. And when it comes to the industrial application, then it's ammonia and also increasingly CO2.
Fantastic.
Both of these technologies will be placed here.
Okay.
The percentage on a later stage, at least it will be 50%. The rest is also going for dry coolers.
Mm-hmm.
But this we will see how it works out. But in average, the majority is on natural.
Fantastic. And I can see, quite unusually, it's a very green plant you have here. Why is that?
Look, this is a very old dream of human being. Unfortunately, they're forgotten for a while that plants are part of our life, as natural refrigerants are. So having this in mind, being aware that we have to take care on this planet, on big scale, but also taking care on a small amount, we need to bring back what human being expects to have, and this is living plants. So high scale, state-of-the-art manufacturing, living plants in interaction with human beings are perfect fit.
Perfect fit. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me, and congratulations on the new factory.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for being here.